Sari will play.
In different emotions.
Yeah, you're going to learn about different feelings using different pictures of
Yes.
emotions, right?
Yeah.
People showing different emotions. All right, let's identify first. Can you put one against the table? What is that person feeling? Is she happy or sad? How is she feeling? Look at it. You won't be able to tell. Is she happy or it says fearful? Is she happy or scared? What's a You have to tell me. Look at the picture. Is she happy? Is she happy? Can you show me happy? Can you show me happy? Can you do it? Alright. What about the next one? Oops, upside down. What is that? Is that picture telling me the person is feeling silly or serious? Which one? Silly or serious? Silly. Can you do a silly face? Oh, that's a silly face. Is that person feeling shy or upset?
Sari.
Shy.
And party.
Okay. And surprised? Can you show me surprised? Do it. Do it with your face. What about that picture? Is that person feeling tired or excited?
Tired.
Tired. Why do you feel tired, Sari?
Sleepy.
When you're sleepy. What's the picture at the back? Now that person is
Sad.
angry or tired?
Angry.
Angry. Can you show me angry? How is that person feeling? Sad. When do you feel sad? Do you feel sad, Sari? So do you show that emotion, Sari? Do you have that feelings as well?
Yes.
Yes. Sometimes you feel angry. Sometimes you feel tired or shy. Right? But most of the time, Sari is
Mom.
happy.
This is silly.
I know, that's being silly. Silly, and the other one is shy.
This is silly.
Silly. Is that your puzzle of emotions?
Yes.
Yes. So earlier we did identify the different feelings and emotions, right? And now we'll try to do it using puzzles.
Yeah, puzzles.
Right? Can you complete that first puzzle and show me what feeling is that? What color?
What's happy? Now what's angry? Where's this one?
I think this has to be on top, remember?
Okay.
So the first one is
Angry.
angry.
Take off the angry.
Can you show me angry? Start being angry.
Take off the angry.
Okay, what's the next one?
This is not nice. Put it here.
I think that's the top part, right?
Yeah.
The one with words should be on top.
Maybe it's this.
Oops.
It's so snowy.
That's the bottom part. The middle part. And the top part. Can you show me what's that? That's feeling. What feeling is that, Sari? Tired. Oopsie. Okay, do another one. Alright, so what's the next one? What's the next feeling or emotion? What is that? Happy.
I can't show the picture.
Okay, show me the picture. Can you do it? With your face? Show me happy. Alright. Alright, so what's the next emotion?
Back.
Alright. There's a picture at the back. And it's showing us. I wonder what it is.
It's mommy, daddy.
Oh, what is that feeling?
Sad.
Sad. Can you show me sad? It's sad. Oh. Alright. Okay, can you do another one? Can you do another puzzle?
Oops.
Oopsie daisy. Alright, so we're done with that one. Oh, you're so happy. I wonder what's the next one. What do you think is the next one? What's that? Surprise! Can you show me surprise? Oops.
Very good, mother.
Okay, do another one.
Yes.
It's the bottom part, and then the middle part, and the top part that says shy. Do you feel shy, Sari?
Yeah.
Sometimes. Yes. When you don't know the people, you feel shy at first.
The people say people.
People. Alright, so what are the last three emotions?
Oh.
Alright. That's the bottom part. The middle part and the top part. Oops. What is that emotion? Scared.
Oh. We die again.
So the last feeling that you're gonna show or put together is
I need to put the head.
the top part. That's being
Silly.
silly. Can you be silly?
Yeah. Oops.
That's kind of silly. Okay, thank you for putting the puzzles together and showing us different
Yeah.
what?
Emotion.
Emotions
Bye.
or feelings.